What's going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad Auto Reviews video. Today we'll be taking a test drive in this 2016 Ram 1500 Express. Now, if you guys want to see a full walk around and demo of this truck, please make sure you go to my channel and take a look at that video, as I did upload that video directly before I did this one. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a full test drive in this truck, showing you guys how this truck performs and maneuvers out in the real world. Now, just a little bit about this truck before we get on the road. This is the 3.6 liter V6 motor. It has 305 horsepower, 269 pound-feet of torque. It has a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission that gets 17 miles per gallon in the city, 25 miles per gallon on the highway, for a combined 20 miles per gallon. This is the crew cab paired with the short bed, which is 5 feet 7 inches. This truck has a payload max of 1,660 pounds and a towing capacity max of 10,350 pounds. With that being said, we'll go ahead and go on the drive. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for all content. If you guys are looking for other trucks, other cars, other SUVs, or you know somebody that's looking, go ahead and go to my channel and take a look at that. I have a ton of content for you guys, and I am constantly looking to update my content. So if you have a car in mind that you want me to review, make sure you let me know. Now, this truck does have a backup camera, which I will show you before I get on the drive, and that is right here. You can see, once again, it's a very, very tiny screen, but it is nice that it has it, and it even has the adjusting guidelines that move to show you your projected path whenever you turn the steering wheel. And I'm just going to show you guys a couple of the other features inside this truck before we get going, just so you guys are as familiar with it as you can be. You know what you're looking at. Over here you have your tachometer on your left, speedometer on your right, obviously, and then your little digital screen right up here in the middle, which I'm going to go ahead and put my speedometer on for you guys, so you guys can see my speed just a little bit easier. This truck is a 6-passenger because this middle seat right here does lift up into a third seat. So if you're looking for a 6-passenger truck, you can get it in the Dodge. Something that's kind of weird, just before I get going, this little area right here, I don't know why you'd put like a handle here. It's kind of an odd place for a handle, but either way. With that being said, let's go ahead and get going on this drive. And I do want to apologize in advance for some of the glare. I will be going away from the sun for most of this video, so it shouldn't be a problem, but we may get a little bit of glare, so I want to apologize for that. First impressions, the seat is really comfortable. For a truck, it is extremely comfortable. It's very soft. So that's really, really nice. There's not a lot of like support necessarily, like from side to side that slide around a little bit, but that's okay. It's very comfortable. I'm not in a sports car, obviously. Turning right there actually didn't do too bad. There actually wasn't, let me roll my windows up so you guys can hear me better. There actually wasn't a lot of body roll. Actually, there's less body roll in this than some of the other SUVs that I've driven. Man, this thing sounds phenomenal too, actually, especially for a V6. Stock exhaust, stock truck. It sounds really, really good. It shifts nice and fast when you're accelerating. Also, whenever decelerating, I don't notice any kind of craziness. So, I really like that. In just a second, I'm gonna let all these cars go so I can kind of step on a little bit right here. I'm gonna ease into it and then go. So I'm really impressed with this. And cool thing is, my tires aren't spinning at all. So really good traction control. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get all the way up to highway speeds, which here in California is 65, but obviously most people are going 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. I'm only gonna be going up to like maybe 70, 75 at the most, just to see how this truck gets up to speed getting onto the highway. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do it. Picks up great. Great. Obviously, if you want more, you can go to that V8 motor, but I don't think there's honestly any reason to. I don't see any problems with the 6-cylinder. Obviously, if you were towing and that type of thing, you would want the bigger motor there. But for what I'm doing right here, this is fine. For city driving, for all of that, this truck is perfect. No complaints. But anyways, guys, no, actually, I'm gonna show you guys the turn radius on the truck, and then I'm going to end it. I'll show you guys how this truck maneuvers, though. Also, whew, yeah, definitely some body roll in the truck whenever you do that. It definitely doesn't feel the most dirty, but I mean, it is a truck. I don't know. I mean, that's exactly what I was expecting, I guess. Alright, let's see if this thing can make a U-turn on the street in between these cars right here. See how tight this thing turns. So I'll go ahead and come to a stop. Definitely not gonna make it, but I think if it was just I'm gonna do one more U-turn. See here. I'll go there. So not too bad of a U-turn, but I do want to see if it'll do it from just right here. Since we have a little cross street, so. Oh yeah, it's not too bad at all. I've seen worse. Look at that, I'm doing donuts for you guys. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for donuts. But anyways, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Once again, just like I've said, if you guys like the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. It's greatly appreciated. It really helps me out. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, make sure you drop that comment for me. I read every one of them, so your comment will get through to me. But with that being said, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the very next episode. Thank you again, and you guys have a blessed day.